everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing about the Cognizant latest interview experiences. So before going into the video, I wanna say something because if you want a job, please do subscribe to my channel. You will get job immediately. Otherwise, leave the channel as it is. Because I will be sharing all the job updates and info as much as possible on my channel, so it will be very helpful of all of you. So coming to video, welcome back to my channel, and I'm creating a series of YouTube videos on Cognizant latest interview experiences, where I share all the experiences collected from my friends that were held in October and November. I think only most of the interviews happened in November, as well as my own experience that was happened in November itself. So in this series, you will get real questions, real scenarios, and help you to prepare better. So today I'm sharing one of the interview experiences that could be really helpful for you upcoming Cognizant interview. So let's get started. So first of all, the interviewer was a very friendly person, and he made the environment very comfortable and friendly. So there is no need to worry about it, guys. So the location will be given for you, or else the sometimes the interview will be online. So if the location is given for you, you need to go to the location. They will be giving a slot for you on the day before itself, so you need to present at that time. And in the college you will be allotted a separate room, and the interview will be online only in that college also, not a person to person interview. So no need to worry about, they will be giving a separate room for you, so you have to sit in that room, and you need to have your interview. So after greetings, coming to our my friend interview experience, after the greetings the interview started with a basic introduction. And since the project and most of the work is front end for my friend, the interviewer also wanted to check the fundamentals in Java. So the interviewer asked her, "Are you comfortable in Java and rate yourself in Java?" So for this question, never say 5 by 5 unless you are truly expert. You can say something like 3 or 4 along with a reason, okay? So because I let's like say the reason, like I only know the basic concepts or basic programming of Java. I don't know advanced Java, so I will rate 4 by 5. So like this, rate yourself. So from most of the experiences I have seen, they ask you to rate, like rate yourself in Java, rate yourself in Python, etc. So be prepared for that question also. Don't say 5 by 5 because they will go too deeply. Then it will be very tough for us to crack. So if you'll say 3 for the ones you don't know, just only if you know the basic answer like 3, and if you don't know somewhat better, go with 4 by 5. Okay. Next question is, what is access modifier? So they asked about access modifier, and she told perfectly about access modifier, and she also explained with some real life examples. And the next question is, what is public static void mean? That means it is a entry point of Java program. Like public is accessible by Java virtual machine from everywhere, and static can call JVM can call without creating an object, and void coming, it doesn't return anything. And coming to main, name of the method JVM looks at first. So no need to answer very lengthily. You can answer in 3 to 4 sentences. That's enough. And then the interviewer asked her, what is multi-threading? So we all know that multi-threading is the ability of a CPU to execute multiple tasks at the same time using threads. So for every question, explain with some kind of examples, so it will be very impressive. So in multi-threading, for example, like listening to music plus downloading files plus using Instagram all at once. Like I'm telling a real time example. For example, in mobile, we'll be listening to music and downloading the files, and we will be using scrolling the Instagram at the same time. So this is called as multi-threading. So this is one of the real time and the easiest example to explain. So coming to the next question, he asked about the differences between overloading and overriding. So we know that same method name, different parameters is nothing but overloading, and same method name and same parameters is nothing but overriding. And coming to the next question, he asked about four pillars of Java, that is encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction. So no need to worry about this. This is a basic question and everyone will learn about this. And next, coming to data types in Java. You ask you to explain about the data types in Java. You can explain the main data types like any 4 to 5. That's more than enough. And coming to next question, what is constructor? Like a constructor is a special method that is used to initialize an object automatically and called automatically when an object is created. This is same in Python and both in Python and Java. And next, then he asked, coming to programming, he asked you to write a program to find the frequencies of element in an array in ascending order. And he then coming to SQL, he asked you to find the second highest salary along with the employee details. So he will be saying like assume a table. From that find the assume a table and assume the rows like this and assume a column like this and find the second highest salary along with the employee details. So you need to answer this accordingly. So no need to worry about the Genc interview because the in Genc interview there will be somewhat basic questions itself. They will be checking the basic concepts or basic understanding for us, and for Gen Z next on Gen Z Pro they will be intimating you via email. No need to worry about the interview process also. The interview process will be cluster based. So if you got a Java cluster, you will be asking questions on Java, and if you got the Python cluster, you will be asking about Python questions, and if you got the C++ cluster, then you will be asked about C++ cluster. And for the interview experience I have given, my friend is based on Java cluster. So she was asked to explain about the Java concepts itself. But in case of me, my cluster is second cluster too. That is a Python cluster, and I was asked on to explain about the Python concepts. And he also asked me to rate about the Python, rate about how good are you at Python. So out of 5, I rated. So please watch all the videos and all the series of my channel, so that will be helpful for you to crack the Cognizant interview. So if you want a job immediately, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and watch regularly. So if you subscribe my channel, you will get job as soon as possible because in Cognizant will be seeing the latest all time repeated questions itself. In the given experience, she was not asked to explain about project. See, some of the luckiest persons also there who are not asked to explain about the project, and she is also not asked to explain about the project, and these are only the questions that she was asked her. So this was very good, and he asked her only basics, so it will be very easy to crack the interview. So thank you for watching, and please do like, share, and subscribe to get a job immediately. Bye guys.